Connect the power cord to the DS-3000-Pro. Connect the load cell and turn the power on. Up here you can see the sensor type, capacity and ID, and on the right hand side you can see the peak and low values. Your DS-3000-Pro 1-channel is now ready to use. Tear the device. Place the weight and press start. Reset peak and low values. Select your sensor. You can set the points to average. You can change the units, for example from pounds to grams or kilograms or newtons. You can also set your resolution. Connect your device using USB or wirelessly and refresh the connections. Using DS-3000-Pro 4-channel, you can read the data from 4 sensors simultaneously. First, tear the device and then press start to read the values. You can see the values from individual sensors down here, and you can read the total here. You can also view the peak and low values on the right.